In this video, I'll show you how to reinvest dividends on Trading 212 automatically. To do this, just open up Trading 212 and go to your portfolio, then open up the investment, or it can also be multiple investments that you want to turn reinvest dividends on for. Then just open up the positions that you want to turn on reinvest dividends for example, the pie right here. And then when you scroll down, you will find something that says dividends right here. So go and click on dividends and then turn that on. And now you can see it will be automatically reinvested into this pie. Now you can also do this with, for example, ETFs. Just scroll down until you see dividends, and from there you can turn it on. Now this one doesn't have dividends, so I cannot see it here. But for as long as the position has dividends, then scroll down, click dividends, and go and turn that on. So now you know how to automatically reinvest dividends on Trading 212. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.